Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the IMEI and the serial number on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Status. Now from here, just scroll down. Now, as you can see, these are the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, you can compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI number on your smartphone's box. And make sure that the IMEI number on the box and the IMEI number on your smartphone screen are the same. Now from here, if you go back and tap on software information, you will find the serial number on your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the serial number on your smartphone screen to the serial number on your smartphone's box. And make sure that the serial number on your smartphone's box and the serial number on your smartphone screen are the same. And this is how you can check the IMEI and the serial number on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.